Can you tell me about the development of the company in Abu Dhabi and where you're going from there?
Well, talking about the company has, I would say, it's I would say a very good strategy, and they have decide and select the Middle East. I mean, as I would say a valuable spot in their network, as you might know, that's the FL Technique Group and in part of Avia Solution Group. That's the strategy of the group need to be. I mean, positioning themselves different places in the world, and seeing the Middle East with the growth in the Middle East and the needs, whereas there was high demand in this region. Yes, FL Techniques is putting themselves and positioning themselves in right way, and of course resourcing the needs of the industry in the Middle East.
That's fantastic. So the expansion of the company coming into the Middle East, how are you progressing that?
The group itself is bringing, I would say, a very strong experience as a trust, I would say, line maintenance and base maintenance provider. We start with the line maintenance, and we obtain our approvals of GCAA 145, and of course it wasn't, I would say, a simple task you could apply for. I mean, going for as an approved AMO within the regulation, local regulation. Yes, they are, I mean, in line, I mean, I would say it's similar standard of EASA, but over here it is, I would say, they go more advanced with their requirements, regulations, and it's not, I would say, simple task to apply for them. Those guys need to make sure that you have the, I would say, more than 100% of the regulation requirements. And yeah, I mean, FL Techniques, based on their experience, they was 100% ready for it. And I would say good thing is the team was capable, I would say, and as well, facilitating everything around it. Going back to your question about the growth, of course, the strategy and the vision of the group is expanding. There's a number of airlines start after the pandemic, as you're aware, speeding up their operation. And once speeding the operation, I like a word I heard from one of the management members, he say the aircraft and the pilot. So between the aircraft and pilot, we are positioning ourselves. The aircraft, one of the, I would say, main pillar in the business, where we are look after it, and the pilot as well, they are driving the industry and driving the business for the airline, and we are the main supplier of both here. We talk about, in the group itself, we have training for the pilot, and we have several training of the engineers who's maintaining the aircraft, and as well, we maintain the assets, and we look after the assets. So basically, we are putting this philosophy in this region and bringing very wealthy experience from Europe to this region. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.